In the last class, we have discussed about the field structure. Today, we will discuss order structure. What is an order structure? A set S is said to be a ordered set if it satisfies the following properties. Look at the properties. So, when we call a set S to be an ordered set, if it satisfies the four properties, which is first one is law of trichotomy, second one is law of transitivity, third one is compatibility of order relation with addition composition, and fourth one is compatibility of order relation with multiplication composition. Let us discuss one by one. Law of trichotomy. What is law of trichotomy? For any collection of element, suppose we have a collection of element S which we call a set, has two elements A and B belongs to S. Then one and only one of the following is true. A is either greater than B, A is equal to B, or A is less than B. If we have two elements in a set, then they must satisfy any one of these following. This is known as law of trichotomy. Either A is greater than B, or A is equal to B, or A is less than B. Any one of these three is true for the element A and B. This is known as law of trichotomy. Almost all structures satisfy law of trichotomy, but what about the complex number? We cannot compare two complex numbers. So that does not satisfy law of trichotomy. Set of real numbers satisfy law of trichotomy. And for any two real number, either one is greater than other, or either both are equal, or one is less than other. We can say about it when they are real number. That is known as law of trichotomy. What is law of transitivity? For all A, B, C belongs to S. A is greater than B and B is greater than C implies A is greater than C. Whenever A is greater than B and B is greater than C, then A will be greater than C. This relation is known as transitivity. Compatibility of order relation with addition composition. For all A, B, C in S, if A is greater than B, then A plus C is greater than B plus C. If we add one fixed element from both the sides, then the relation remains unchanged. A is greater than B implies A plus B is greater than A plus C is greater than B plus C. Compatibility of order relation with multiplication composition. For A, B, C belongs to S, A is greater than B and C is positive, C is greater than 0. Then we can say that AC is greater than BC. So we have four properties. What are they? That is law of trichotomy, law of transitivity, compatibility of order relation with addition composition, and compatibility of order relation with multiplication composition. If these four laws are satisfied, then we say that that set has an ordered structure. Now let us discuss few examples. First example, say consider the set of natural number n. For any two natural number A and B are two natural number. If we add these two numbers, A plus B will be again a natural number. So what we can say is that composition, addition is defined here. Because A plus B is also a natural number, so we say that addition composition is well defined in set of natural number. When we multiply two natural number, we again get a natural number. So we can say that multiplication is well defined in set of natural number. So when addition and multiplication are defined, we call that collection an algebraic structure. We have already discussed it in previous video. So N is an example of an algebraic structure because addition and multiplication are defined. Now what about ordered structure? For set of natural number, law of trichotomy hold because for any two natural number we can say either one is greater than other, one is equal to other, or one is less than other. So law of trichotomy hold for set of natural number. Transitivity also hold for set of natural number. For three natural number a, b, c, a is greater than b and b is greater than c implies a is obviously greater than c when they are natural number. Order is compatible with addition and order is compatible with multiplication. You can check. So n has an ordered structure, and also it is an algebraic structure. Then let us consider another example. Is the set of natural number a field? To be a field, what are the requirements? There are 5 axioms for addition, 5 axioms for multiplication, and another one which describe multiplication is distributive over addition. Now we will check one by one. If any one of the property does not hold, then we cannot say that set of natural number is a field. What are the field structure? A set S is said to be a field if it is closed under addition, it is commutative, addition is associative, and additive identity exists, and additive inverse exists. These are 5 laws of addition. Now for natural number n, this set of natural number, it is not a field. Why? Suppose a belongs to n, a is a natural number, then additive identity is 0 and 0 does not belong to set of natural number, such that a plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a is equal to a. Again, additive inverse also does not exist. For a is a natural number, a belongs to n, then minus of a is the additive inverse, such that a plus minus a is equal to 0, but minus a will be a negative number and does not belong to n. So additive inverse does not exist. Hence we cannot say that set of natural number is a field. But obviously set of natural number is an algebraic structure and also it has ordered structure, but it is not a field. Now consider set of integers. Set of integers I. This includes all positive numbers, all negative numbers, and 0. Okay, and it satisfies order structure. You can check order structure, law of trichotomy, transitivity, compatibility with addition, compatibility with multiplication are satisfied, so it has an order structure. So we can say that I is set of integer, it has order structure. Also it has algebraic structure because addition and multiplication are well defined. Okay, so it is an algebraic structure, but it is also not a field. Why? Multiplicative inverse of an integer does not belong to I. Suppose we have consider the integer 5. 5 is an integer. What is the multiplicative inverse? 1 by 5. But 1 by 5 is a fraction and it does not belong to I. So any integer, all integer does not have multiplicative inverse in I. So I is not a field. It has only order structure. It is an algebraic structure, but it is not a field. What about set of rational number? Set of rational number, all element of the form p by q, where p and q are integers. Okay, q is not equal to 0. Thus q includes set of integer also and set of natural number also. Now q has an order structure because we can compare two rational number, one rational number with another rational number. Either one is less than, or one is greater than, or one is equal to the other number. So set of rational q is order. It is also an algebraic structure because addition of two rational is rational and multiplication of two rational is rational. So it has an algebraic structure and ordered structure. and also it satisfies all the properties of a field. Hence Q is an ordered field. We say that Q is an ordered field. Set of real number you can check, also an ordered field. We will discuss another property that is known as completeness property, which is satisfied by only the real number set. So real number set R is the only set which is called as ordered complete. Completeness property is not satisfied by Q, that we will discuss in the next class.